Hello and welcome to Lowe's Quick Dish Soul Foods. Today on the menu, we're gonna have deep battered fried salmon along with homemade French fries, a tomato and green onion Caesar salad, topped off with creamy French dressing and balsamic vinaigrette. Let's go. Okay, so I got the oil on. I'm gonna get some of this stuff off of. Just put it up in the bowl. My onions for my salad. Have you ever tried? Tell me in the comments. Have you ever tried deep battered, seasoned battered, deep fried salmon? That's what I like. It's always nice and crispy, and I just enjoy a crispy fish. So these have been washed, my tomatoes. And I'm gonna cut them up. Love tomatoes, just in half. It's just a one bowl salad. And the lemons are for my fish. Let me get the fish out. But I'm not going to cook them yet because I think I'll do the home fries first. Fish take longer. Well, let's play it by ear. I'll be back. As I'm waiting to get the fish, the oil hot, I've had my salmon marinated in the refrigerator, and it looks like that. And you can see the ingredients in the bag. This is what I'm working with my flour. It's medium hot House of Audrey, along with some of the other seasonings in the bag. Only doing 2 salmon steaks. They're seasoned differently. So let's check our oil and see if it's ready to drop the fish. And as you notice, have a plastic bag here and another cutting mat to keep things from being cross-contaminated. No, it's not hot yet. I like deep fried crispy salmon. It's good. Try it. And if you make it to the end of this video, tell me, would you try deep fried battered, seasoned battered salmon? Okay, I believe our oil is ready, so I'm gonna drop one of the fish in. This is seasoned flour, as I told you before. Yes, it's hot. Turn it up a notch. This trash bag. These are my potatoes sitting in some cool salt water. I'm gonna season them and then drop them after we cook the fish. This is an easy, quick meal. Minutes to do. Very simple. Give you a close up on that fish. It's cooking. I'll let you see when it comes out. And then I'm gonna put some light seasoning on it after I take it out the pan. So, turn it up a notch, cut it up, and let it do its thing. And that's all to it. I'll be back. See that nice crispy piece of fish? I'm gonna season it. Put it on my napkin, my paper towel, and season it down. I like crispy fish. I don't care what kind it is, it has to have a deep fried flavor for me. Nice and crispy. Right? It's great. I'm gonna put some sea salt, sprinkle some sea salt on this. Little onion powder. And the blackened seasoning. And that's it for that. And we got a second one in the pan going strong. And I'll be back when that's done. Then we'll drop the fries and fix the salad and plate up. This is our second piece of fish getting ready to come out. Tell me if you like crispy fried fish, or have you ever tried deep fried salmon? It's delicious. I drain the water off of my fries. Let them off again. And dry them off with a paper towel. Then I'm going to season them. Cut this down. Move it back. Season these fries with a little adobo. Onion powder. We'll put some blackened in it too, but let me get some fish on here. This is our second piece of fish. Looking scrumptious. I'm going to season that down too with some onion powder. Some blackened. And of course, some Old Bay. And then I'm going to drizzle a little lemon juice on this one. So I'm going to drop these fries. Hopefully the grease will clear down a little bit. Because they got water in them. Not bad. Let them cook. And I'll be back. With all the talk about the salad, this is the Fresh Express brand. I even wash my lettuce off and I break it up so it looks like this. Nice salad. Let's get our fries. This is how our fries are looking. Homemade fries. I'm gonna season them up and we're gonna plate up. Put a little Old Bay on the fries. A little onion powder. And this is how our plate is looking. Let's get a close-up. Doesn't it look scrumptious? Nice Caesar salad with tomatoes, battered, seasoned, deep-fried salmon, and homemade seasoned French fries. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you made it to the end of the video, let me know would you deep fry your salmon.